Hello everyone! Today is December 23rd. Winter is truly here. The air is cold and crisp. Welcome to English News for Learners. Learn English through today's news from Japan. We use simple words. We use clear speech. It is perfect for your daily practice. Let's look at today's top stories. M-1 Grand Prix. The comedy duo Takuro won a famous contest. They are the winners of the M-1 Grand Prix 2025. This is the most famous manzai contest in Japan. A record-breaking 11,521 teams entered this year. Takuro reached the finals for the first time. They beat all the other teams. 8 out of 9 judges voted for them. They received a prize of 10 million yen. The duo became instant stars. Their name comes from two famous people, Takuya Kimura and the baseball star Ichiro. The finals were broadcast live on December 21. Now everyone in Japan knows their name. Moving on to our second story, Toji and Yuzu Yu. Monday was the winter solstice. In Japan, this day is called Toji. It is the shortest day of the year. In Tokyo, daylight lasted only 9 hours and 45 minutes. Japanese people have a special tradition for this day. They take hot baths with yuzu citrus fruits. Many public baths put hundreds of yuzu in their tubs. The fruit has a very fresh smell. This custom is believed to protect people from colds. It also brings good luck for the new year. Many people also eat kabocha, or pumpkin. This helps them stay healthy during the cold winter. It is a beautiful and healthy tradition. Next topic, Hinichi kankou kyaku ga kako saita. New data shows a record number of tourists. Over 39 million international travelers visited Japan this year. This is from January to November. This number has already broken the previous record. The old record was set just last year, in 2024. This is a 17% increase from last year. Tourism is now a major part of Japan's economy. Visitors are spending a lot of money on hotels. They also enjoy many local experiences. Most visitors come from South Korea and Taiwan. Many people also visit from the United States. Japan expects over 40 million visitors by the end of December. Moving on to our fourth story, Sanchoen no AI Projecto. Japan is starting a massive national AI project. The government and private companies are working together. SoftBank is one of the main partners. The project is worth 3 trillion yen. That is about $19 billion. They want to develop a domestic AI system. Currently, Japan relies on technology from other countries. They want to change this to improve national security. Over 100 experts from 10 major companies will help. The new AI will focus on the Japanese language. It will also help with industrial needs. Full development will start in the spring of 2026. And finally, Hitachi no工場用AI. Hitachi has launched a new AI service for factories. This AI agent helps factory workers. It can answer technical questions about machines. Workers can ask the AI for advice. It helps them fix and maintain industrial equipment. The AI is trained on special industrial data. Japan has an aging society. There are not enough young workers in factories. Expert skills are also being lost. This AI aims to solve these problems. It makes manufacturing smarter and easier. Hitachi will show this technology at a big event in 2026. That is all for today. Today, we learned about comedy stars and winter traditions. We also learned about tourism and new AI technology. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing your English every day. I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.